Hello everyone, it's Nick from Bug Outdoors, and I'm finally going to go fishing on my Vide Seaghost 130 kayak today. So wish me luck. This is the first time I fished in it. It's a very windy day, so it might be interesting. I'm also going to be testing out some PLUSINNO crankbaits that they sent me. These are lipless crankbaits. So wish me luck. On the PLUSINNO. Go! Catch and release. To stop here a little bit, see if I can hide from the wind for just a little bit. Switch. Oh, look at that. Here we go. Little guy, the first one of the PLUSINNO crankbaits, and a knot skunk. Thanks, buddy. Another catch and release. Crappie, you know? Crappie. Guys, unfortunately, I think it's gotten too windy for me. This is my first time out in a kayak, and I don't want to mess it up the first time. So we caught a few fish on the PLUSINNO lures. They work great. The hooks are so sharp. I stuck myself, I stuck my clothes, I stuck my scupper plug in the kayak, I stuck everything. So thumbs up for the PLUSINNO crankbaits. Good job, PLUSINNO. Thanks for sending them. I hope you send me something else to review. I enjoyed doing it. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed. Hopefully the wind dies down. I can get out again soon in the kayak. Have a good day.